Hello and welcome to Sessional Digital Space Studio. Today we have a very exciting news. So coming to the first article of today, China's President Xi Jinping have urged a gathering of the multinational CEOs for the global supply chains and protect of the global industry here. So as Beijing seeks to ease the foreign films here, concerns over the economics, health and the amid threats of the more than the US tariffs here. So coming to the second article of today, the law firm Jenner and Block sued the US government by raising the concerns over the President Donald Trump. On the March 28, the President Trump have issued an executive order suspending the security clearances and for its lawyers and the restricting orders access to the government buildings, officials and the federal contracting works. So they've been raising the concerns over this, which is it's a Jenner and Block. So this is the second article of today. So coming to the third article of today, the terms of the mineral deal between the US and the Ukraine here, and not yet been finalized till now. Ukrainian officials have been said that after the Washington's offer on the energy and the mineral, Ukraine have been held that they were seeking from many years from in the form of the minerals from the country and demanding all of the Ukraine's natural minerals many years of now. So these are the concerns in the US President Donald Trump here. So coming to the fourth article of today, the US Securities and the Exchange Commission is beginning to the onboard officials who is with the billionaire who is the Elon Musk Department of the Government Efficiency, according to the email sent to the department staff here. So this been raising concerns over this. The mail have been sent from the Elon Musk, which is the billionaire here, and so this is coming to the fifth article of today. Donald Trump have been asked the US court to lift a temporary order of blocking him from using a 1798 law to swiftly deport a Venezuelan gang members as part of his 2-month-old administration's hardline approach to the immigration. So this is the fifth article. So coming to the sixth article of today, US federal judge have been blocked the Trump's administration by and from deporting the migrants to the countries with which they have no existing relationship with no chance of raising claims that they would face a prosecution of torture sent there. So this been raising concerns over the Trump's administration and the Venezuela here. So coming to the seventh article of today, a US federal judge have been ruled that the Trump's administration must halt efforts to dismantle the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So this is the seventh article. So coming to the eighth article of today, a powerful earthquake have been centered in the Myanmar in the South Asia, and in the bank of the building have been broken down, and the searching have been concluded that 81 people are missing from the building have been crushed down due to the earthquake of Myanmar, and it's been a while that in the bank of the building have been crushed down, and so many have been dead. So this being a raising over this. So coming to the 10th article of today, here the billionaire Elon Musk is saying that he been replacing the Twitter, once known as a Twitter, to combine with the XAI in an all-stock transaction for about $45 billion, including the debt. And he have been sold out to social media, which is once known as Twitter, to his XAI company for about $33 billion in stock. This merger combines the advanced AI capabilities with vast US base. He is promising for the smarter experiences while staying true to their mission for the advancing knowledge image here. So coming to the 11th article of today, the Union Cabinet have been increased the DA, which is DRLS, announcing dearness allowance by 2 percentage points starting from the January 1st this year, benefiting nearly of 1.15 crore of central government employees and the pensions as well. So this is the best thing that have been and the good news for the central government employees and the pensioners as well. So coming to the 12th article of today, the US appeals court have been held that Elon Musk and the members of Doge can make the further cuts to the US aid while they have been appealed a lower court order that have been barred them from doing so. So this is the 12th article. So coming to the 13th article of today, the Madras High Court have been granted a interim anticipatory bail to the comedian Kunal Karma amid fears by his traitor Gaddar joke against the Eknath Shinde. This is the 13th article of today. So coming to the 14th article of today, YouTuber Ranveer Alhabadi has faced a backlash for a joke about the parents, and it been a raising concerns over all over the India, which is known by the Bicep, and he is a fine YouTuber that have been doing the podcast over this. So he have joked about the parents' lifestyle, daily lifestyle. So and it's been a backlash have been held by him, and Supreme Court have been punished him by his jokes on the India's Got Talent. And same way here the stand-up comedian who is Swati Sachudev have been held the same joke about her mother here. So this been raising concerns over the same incident have been held by the Swati Sachudev and Ranveer Alhabadi here about the parents. He's been talking about the vulgar by the parents, and she have been talked in the stand-up comedy show about her mother, which is in a vulgar way. So this been raising concerns over this. So these are the articles today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sujna Digital Space Studio. Thank you for joining us.